Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for m in square root of m raised to power square root of m equals 3 raised to power 2 root m. Let's say solution. So we have square root of m raised to power square root of m equals 3 raised to power 2 root m. From here, we will have square root of m raised to power square root of m equals 3 raised to power square root of m plus square root of m. The reason why we have this is because square root of m plus square root of m is equals 2 root m. So this is the same as 2 root m. So now we will have, so for example, when we have x raised to power y plus z, this is equals x raised to power y multiplied by x raised to power z. So if you apply this to this, we will have square root of m raised to power square root of m equals, this, we distribute this to this. So we have 3 raised to power square root of m multiplied by 3 raised to power square root of m. So if we divide both sides of this by 3 raised to power square root of m, let's say divide both sides by 3 raised to power square root of m. So we'll have square root of m raised to power square root of m equals 3 raised to power square root of m, this, multiplied by 3 raised to power square root of m. So we want to divide both sides by 3 raised to power square root of m. 3 raised to power square root of m. But if you look at this, we know this will cancel this. So we will now have this square root of m raised to power square root of m divided by 3 raised to power square root of m. This is equals, what is left here? 3 raised to power square root of m. So, but let's look something here. If we have x raised to power m divided by y raised to power m, from the law of the indices, this is equals x divided by y raised to power m. So that they have the same powers. So now here we will have here, this will becomes square root of m divided by 3 raised to power square root of m. Since they both have square root of m equals 3 raised to power square root of m. So if you look here, you see that we have equals, they have both this left hand side and right hand side, they have equals power. So therefore their bases are also equal. So if their bases are also equal, so we will have this, we said this will cancel this. So we have square root of m divided by 3 equals 3. From here, if we cross multiply, we will have, this one is 1 with m multiplied by root m. We have square root of m equals 3 times 3. So we have square root of m equals 3 times 3 will give us, that is 9. So to get away this square root, we need to square both sides. If we square both sides, we'll have square root of m square equals 9 square. So, and we know this, we cancel this, we have m to be equals 9 raised to power 2. And 9 raised to power 2 will give us 81. So this is our answer. You can check this, check. But before we check, I want to thank you for always engaging with my videos with comments and likes. If you have not subscribed yet, or in new viewers, please kindly subscribe now. I always engage with my videos with your comments and likes, as it will encourage me to do more. So now let's check. If you want to check this, the original equation we have is square root of m raised to power square root of m equals 3 raised to power 2m. There's something I want to show you here. So this 2 root m is not equals to, so this is square root, so it's not necessary that you write 2. So, and this is 2 root, let's say this one m, this one is m. Let's continue with our checking. So since we got our m to be equals 81, so we will substitute m equal to 81 into the given equation. So what's the equation? We have square root of m. Okay, we've written it here. So we will now have square root of 81 raised to power square root of 81 equals 3 raised to power 2. Then we have square root of 81. So here we will have square root of 81 is equals to 9. Then square root of 81 here is 9 equals 3 raised to power 2 root square root of 81, that is 9. So we will have 9 raised to power 9 equals 3 raised to power, we will have this 3, 2 times 9, that is 18. So and here as well, you can express this as, if you are doing this, we will have 9 raised to power 9 will give us 387,420,489. So which is equals 3 raised to power 18 will give us 387,420 and 489. So you see that this and this are equal. And as well, you can also check from this side. We have 9 raised to power 9, 9 raised to power 9 here, and we have 3 raised to power 2 times 9. So 9 raised to power 9 equals, we have 3 raised to power 2 will give us 9, and we have 9 here as well. You observe that this left hand side equal to right hand side. So that therefore m equals 81 satisfies the given equation that says square root of m raised to power square root of m equals 3 raised to power 2 root m. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.